stop spending hours editing in CapCut. Google Gemini can now do professional-level video editing in seconds. Most creators spend hours cutting clips, fixing colors, adding lighting, restoring old footage, and trying different styles inside CapCut. But now you can skip most of that. With a single prompt, Google Gemini can help you. In this video, I'll share 9 powerful AI prompts that can help you create professional-level videos without spending hours editing in CapCut or any other video editor. Just copy the prompts, customize them to your content, and let Google Gemini handle the rest. I've included all these master prompts in the description box below. Be sure to check them out. The first prompt is called Movie Grade Look, and this is one of my favorites. First, go to Google Gemini and upload the image you want to turn into a video. Next, copy and paste this prompt into the prompt box. Then customize it to match your vision. After that, choose the Gemini model you want to use and finally click Generate. In just a few moments, Gemini will create a professional-looking video based on your prompt. The second prompt is called Teleport Background. This prompt lets you place your subject into almost any location while keeping their face, body, clothing, and identity exactly the same. Simply describe the new environment you want. As you can see, I've customized the prompt to match exactly what I wanted. I specified the location, lighting, atmosphere, and every important detail. Next, select the Gemini model you'd like to use. Then choose the Create Video option, just as I'm doing here. Once everything is ready, click Generate, and Gemini will start creating your AI video based on your customized prompt. The third prompt is called Magic Erase. This prompt lets you remove unwanted objects, people, or distractions from your image or video while keeping everything else completely natural. Simply tell Gemini what you want to erase, and it will intelligently fill in the missing area so it looks like the object was never there. All of these prompts work the same way I showed you in this video. Simply upload your image, customize the prompt to match your vision, select your preferred Gemini model, and click Generate. It's that easy. Now it's your turn. Try these prompts with your own videos and let me know in the comments which one worked best for you. I'd love to hear your results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more AI tools, powerful prompts, and content creation tips.